Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I am going to show you how to create a logo. At the end of this video you will be able to create a logo yourself, and these are some of the logos. Let's come towards Photoshop. First of all, File, New, write the name here, select pixels, write the width here and height, select OK, select paint bucket tool and fill black here, create a new layer, select elliptical marquee tool, by pressing shift from the keyboard make a circle here, select white color from here, select paint bucket tool and fill white color, press Ctrl D from the keyboard and then select elliptical marquee tool. Again by pressing shift make a circle here smaller than the original one and then fix this. Press delete from the keyboard. It is not in the middle, so I'm going to press Ctrl Z, fit this in the middle and then press delete from the keyboard, press Ctrl D and now create a new layer. Again select rectangular marquee tool, make a square here, bring it in the middle, select paint bucket tool and fill white color here, press Ctrl D from the keyboard, make another selection by pressing shift from the keyboard, set this in the middle and then press delete from the keyboard, press Ctrl D from the keyboard to deselect and then see if it is okay. This is circle, so name it for your comfort. Double click here to name it. This is square. Select a square layer and press Ctrl T from the keyboard. By pressing shift from the keyboard, set this like this and then select move tool, apply. Now select horizontal type tool, write your text here, I will change the eye, set this in the middle. Okay, now it is made. There are certain other things that are remaining, so we will do that. To do, we will select the eraser tool from here and then select the layer of circle from here. You can select the size from here. You can either select this one or this one with the feathers. I will select with the feather one. I will remove this part, this part, this part and this part, and now I will select the square layer. I will remove this part, this part, this part and this one. Now this is a simple logo. Now we will bring some texture. Okay, I will come to this layer I will select all the layers and select move tool. Pick and drop here. Press Ctrl T from the keyboard, resize this, make it a bit smaller. Okay, now let's select the square layer, blending option, right click, blending option, inner shadow and gradient overlay. I will change the color from here. Select OK. You can bring many changes from here yourself. Do that and practice that. Select OK. I want to apply the same effect on circle, so I will right click on the layer of square, copy layer style, and I will select the circle layer, right click, paste layer style. And now I will select the text layer, blending options. You can set this yourself according to your own wish. I will select drop shadow from here, bevel and emboss, and a little texture, and then OK. Now this is made. You can bring some other changes yourself. I will bring another texture now. I will come to this file. I will select all my layers and pick and drop here. Press Ctrl T and you can set this the way you like. The background is white, so you can change certain things from blending options here so that it looks better. Drop shadow. No, the color was okay. You can set this as you like yourself. These are the 3 logos.